Hello, are you the internet technician? I am Clara.
Yes, I am Mark. I have your new router here.
Please come inside. I really need a fast connection.
This model is very stable. It is our best device.
My old internet was slow. It was very frustrating.
Fiber optic is a big change. You will love it.
Where should we put it? Is the hallway okay?
A central spot is better. Let's find the shelf.
You have many tools. Your vest looks very professional.
I carry everything here. It helps me work fast.
Is that tablet for testing? It looks very advanced.
Yes, it shows a signal. It makes work precise.
I am ready to start. Where do we begin?
Let's find the wall port. Is it near the desk?
It is behind the curtain. I cleared the space.
The port looks clean. You prepared the room well.
I cleaned the walls today. I want everything perfect.
I like a tidy workspace. It helps me focus.
I'm excited for speed. Can we start now?
It will be ready soon. I am opening my kit.
Do you need power? There's an outlet here.
Yes, that is perfect. I need a steady current.
The desk is all yours. I will watch quietly.
Thank you, Clara. I'm starting the line check.
Is the signal active? I hope there are no issues.
The external line is good. I see a strong signal.
That is great news. I was a bit worried.
Don't worry at all. I'm an expert here.
I trust your skills. You seem very confident.
I do this every day. Let's move to the mat. I am scanning the rooms. Look at this screen.
What do the colors mean? It looks like art.
Green is a perfect signal. Your office is green.
That is wonderful news. I work at that desk.
The coverage is very even. Your walls are thin.
What about the kitchen? I cook and watch videos.
It is yellow there. The speed is still high.
Can I stream in 4K? I love high quality.
Yes, the signal is sufficient. You will have no lag.
My bedroom is also purple. Is that a good sign?
Purple is a very stable zone. It is perfect.
I watch many movies there. I need a steady link.
This router reaches every corner. It is very powerful.
I am happy with this. It was a good choice.
Our network is very reliable. We test it often.
Do I need a booster? I want maximum speed.
No, the router is enough. You can save money.
That is a relief. Technology can be very expensive.
I am starting the test. Listen for the beep.
I hear a small sound. Is the link active?
The light signal is coming. It is very bright.
How can I help? Do you need a hand?
Please hold this thin cable. Be very gentle now.
It feels very light. Is it made of glass?
Yes, it is flexible glass. Do not bend it.
I will be careful. I don't want to break it.
I am opening the panel. It is a bit dusty.
I have a small cloth. Do you want it?
No, I have my own. I am very organized.
You have everything ready. You are a pro, Mark.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.
I found the connection point. It was deep inside.
It was hidden well. I never saw it before.
Modern apartments are like this. They hide the wires.
I lived here a year. I missed this panel.
I am using my screwdriver. It takes a moment.
Do you do this often? You work very fast.
Yes, I visit many homes. Every wall is different.
You know the city well. Do you like it?
I see many interesting places. Every day is new.
Is the cable ready? I am holding it tight.
Almost. I am stripping it. It needs precision work.
That tool is very cool. It looks very sharp.
It is for fiber optics. It cuts very clean.
I see a red light. Is that the laser?
Yes, that is the signal. It carries your data.
Light carries my work. That is amazing technology.
It is the fastest way. No more copper wires.
It is in my room. I feel very modern.
Let's connect a router. Help me with the box.
I am holding it steady. Tell me when to stop.
The connection is now secure. I felt the click.
I heard that sound too. It must be locked.
That is a perfect fit. The signal is flowing.
Can we turn it on? I want to see.
I must check the adapter. Safety is the priority.
The socket is right here. It is empty now.
Please plug it in. We are ready now.
My hand is on it. Here we go, Mark.
Plug it in now. The device is starting up.
The power is on. I see the first light.
The router is booting now. It takes a minute.
The lights are flashing colors. It looks like a show.
It is searching for home. It is talking to us.
I hope it is fast. I have much work.
It is almost ready. The system is very smart.
I am waiting with joy. This is a big day.
The light is turning purple. It is finally active.
Purple is my favorite. It looks so beautiful here.
It means the link is good. The fiber is working.
I love the glowing light. It makes me happy.
It matches your hair. You look like a team.
I didn't see that. You were very funny.
I am activating your account. Look at my tablet.
My laptop is ready too. Should I open it?
Open the settings page. I will guide you now.
I see the welcome screen. What do I type?
Type your customer number. It is on this card.
I have it on phone. I am typing it now.
Everything is going well. The server is responding.
Is the network name there? I see a long code.
Yes, that is the default. We can change it.
I want a new name. I have a plan.
What name do you want? I will type it.
I choose the Nebula Station. It sounds like space.
That is very creative. I like your style, Clara.
I love stars and planets. I am an artist.
Your hoodie has a planet. It is very cozy.
I am typing the name. Is the password next?
Yes, the system is updating. Wait for the reboot.
The router is restarting. I see the purple light.
The router is online again. Check your phone now.
I see the Nebula Station. It looks so cool.
Choose a very strong password. Use many different symbols.
I have a long one no one can guess.
Symbols make it very safe. Security is very important.
I want a private link. I don't like sharing.
This router has great shield. Your data is safe.
I feel much better now. Thank you for that.
I am setting a guest link. It is for visitors.
Is that for my friends? That is a smart idea.
Yes, it protects your files. They stay on top.
You think of everything, Mark. You are a genius.
Safety is my main job. Speed comes after that.
The signal is now active. I see the bars.
Let's do a speed test. Open the special site.
I am opening it now. The page is loading.
Click the big button. Watch the needle move fast.
It is moving fast. I can't believe it.
You have great speed today. It is 1 gigabit.
This is like a dream. I am so lucky.
Your uploads will be quick. Your clients will wait.
I can work without stress. My projects are safe.
I am happy for you. It is a success.
I will tell my friends. Everyone needs this fiber.
I love happy customers. It makes my day better.
Let's check the kitchen now. I need to know.
Walk there with your phone. I will check tablet.
I am in the kitchen. The kettle is on.
How is the signal there? Do you see bars?
It is still very strong. The speed is high.
I am near the fridge. The signal is stable.
My phone shows full bars. It is very impressive.
Run the test again here. Let's see the result.
The speed is still high. I am very surprised.
The antennas work very well. They are high quality.
They look like a crown for my desk.
A crown for your station. It is a kingdom.
I will add a sticker, maybe a small star.
Do not cover the vents. It needs to breathe.
Does it get very hot? I should be careful.
Yes, it needs to stay cool. Give it some space.
I will put it away. No stickers on vents.
I am finishing the report. It is a long form.
Is the job finished now?
Are we all done?
I am sending the data. The office needs it.
Does the office see me? Do they know name?
They only see the status. Your name is private.
My station name is secret. I like that, Mark.
I am setting automatic updates. It is very convenient.
Will it stop my work? I work at night.
No, it happens at night, 4 in the morning.
That is very helpful indeed. I am usually asleep.
I am sending the receipt. Check your email inbox.
I see it right now. It arrived very fast.
Everything is official now. You have a contract.
Thank you for your help. You are very kind.
It was a great visit. Your home is nice.
I am very satisfied today. The internet is perfect.
I am glad to hear. That is my mission.
Let's do the final speed dash one last time.
Did you get the PDF? It has the details.
Yes, I have it here. Everything looks very clear.
That is your speed guarantee. We keep our word.
I like that promise. It makes me feel safe.
We want a great experience. Our clients come first.
I have my tablet here. Should I use it?
Please sign my tablet, Clara. It is for work.
Oh, I see it now. I am a bit slow.
Here is the work order. Check the equipment list.
It lists the fiber kit. Everything seems to be here.
Everything is correct and active. The job is good.
I'm very happy with it. It was fast.
Use the stylus to sign. Put it in box.
My signature is on screen. Do you see it?
Thank you. The office has it. It is saved.
What about the warranty? Is it a long one?
It lasts for 2 years. We cover all parts.
That is very good news. I can sleep well.
Call us if you need. We are always here.
I hope it stays perfect. I love this speed.
I hope so too, Clara. Enjoy your new network.
You are very professional, Mark. I will recommend you.
I like helping creative people. Your art is cool.
I will start my project. It is a movie.
It will upload very fast. No more long waits.
I am very happy now. My life is easier.
I am packing my tools. My bag is full.
Don't forget your tablet. It is on the shelf.
Thank you for the reminder. I am a bit tired.
I will open the door. Have a nice trip.
My tablet is in my vest. I am ready.
Your vest is like magic. It has many pockets.
It is very practical for work. I like it.
I want a vest too. It looks very handy.
It is good for pencils. You are an artist.
I am checking my laptop. The signal is full.
Is the connection stable? Test the video now.
Yes, it is perfect. The video starts instantly.
The afternoon is very quiet. The network is light.
I will conquer the world. My art is ready.
You have the best tools. Now you can create.
Thank you for the clean job. No dust left.
No mess and no holes. I was very careful.
My landlord will be happy. He is very strict.
It is our little secret. The wall is fine.
The door is open now. The sun is out.
Have a wonderful afternoon, Clara. Enjoy your work.
Have a safe trip, Mark. Don't drive too fast.
I have more homes today. 3 more to go.
I hope they are clean. Some people are messy.
Most are very messy indeed. It is quite hard.
Then I am the favorite. I cleaned everything today.
You are at the top. A very good customer.
Goodbye, Mark. See you next time, maybe.
Goodbye, Clara. Have fun at the station.
I am waving at him. He is a nice guy.
I am at the elevator. The doors are closing.
I am finally online. My dream is here.
Another house is connected. The web is growing.
Time to start my work. I have an idea.
We are almost finished. I need one last thing.
Is it the final paperwork? I am ready to sign.
Yes, it is a digital form. Look at my tablet.
I see my name there. Everything looks very correct.
This confirms the speed test. We reached 1 gigabit today.
That speed is truly amazing. I am very happy, Mark.
Use this stylus, please. Sign inside the white box.
There is my signature. It looks a bit messy.
That is no problem. The system accepts it easily.
Do I get a copy? I need it for records.
I am sending it now. Check your email inbox.
It just arrived. Thank you for that.
You also have a warranty. It lasts for 2 years.
What does the warranty cover? Is the router included?
Yes, we cover all hardware. We also cover the line.
That gives me peace. I feel very safe now.
If the purple light blinks, call us. We will help.
I will remember the purple light. It is my signal.
I am closing the app. The job is officially done.
You were very fast today. I appreciate your hard work.
It is my favorite job. I like helping creative people.
I can finally start my work. My movie is waiting.
I wish you great success. Animation is a cool career.
Thank you for your kindness. You are a great expert.
I am putting my tools away. My bag is ready.
Don't forget your small screwdriver. It is on the table.
Oh, thank you, Clara. I need that for next house.
I'm glad I saw it. You have many tools.
Yes, my vest is full. It is time to go.
I will walk you out. Let's head to the door.
I am standing at the door. Do you have questions?
No, everything is very clear. I feel very confident.
Remember to keep the vents clear. The router needs air.
I will keep the shelf tidy. No dust allowed there.
That is the perfect plan. Your connection will stay fast.
I am looking at the router. The purple light glows.
It looks like a small star. It fits your room.
It is my nebula station. I love the name.
It was a great choice. You are a smart artist.
Thank you for the clean install. There's no mess.
I always clean my workspace. It is my professional rule.
My landlord will be happy. No holes in the wall.
We used the old paths. It is a ghost install.
A ghost install? That sounds very mysterious.
It is a tech secret. We keep walls beautiful.
I am holding my laptop. I am ready to work.
Go and create your magic. The fiber is ready.
I will start the render. It will be very fast.
I am giving you a salute. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, Mark. Thank you for the perfect internet.
Goodbye, Clara. Enjoy your high-speed creative world.
I am waving a hand. Mark is a nice guy.
I am stepping into the hall. The elevator is here.
The door is now closed. I am finally online.
Another success today. I feel very proud.
I am sitting at my desk. The screen is bright.
I am pressing the button. Time for the next home.
My nebula station is active. My journey starts now.
Connections are the bridge. I love my job.
Perfect speed, perfect light. Everything is just perfect.